Hello students of grade 11 applied maths. Today we will learn conjugate and modulus of complex number. In this textbook we have lots of questions, but as per the syllabus we have to do the simple. We have to go for a simple only. So I'll just give you an idea of these two and how to find the conjugate and the modulus of complex number. We'll do some question. Okay. Now conjugate, if a complex number is given a plus ib, then the conjugate is, we just write the represent by bar. Okay, we change the sign of the imaginary part, it will be a minus ib. If z was c plus di or minus di, the I part we just change it. Okay, that is conjugate, c plus di. If it is minus we write plus, if it is plus we write minus. Modulus is, if z is a plus ib, the modulus will represent like this. Modulus of z is always root over a square plus b square. If it is negative also no problem. Suppose it is c minus id, modulus of z will be root over c square plus, even though if it is minus, it become positive. Okay, it will be c square plus d square. Okay, let's do some question based on this extra question type. Instead of doing exercise 2.3, I'm just giving you ideas of this conjugate and modulus, and we'll do this for this session. So here 3 plus 4i, how to, suppose z is 3 plus 4i, how to find the conjugate? Conjugate will be 3 minus 4i. And how to find the modulus? Root over d square plus d square. 3 square plus 4 square will get 9 plus 16, that is root 25, which is equal to 5. So we got conjugate also, we got modulus also. Similarly, let's do this. If z is 1 minus I, modulus will be 1 plus I, which is conjugate will be 1 plus I, and the modulus will be, you will see this one only, 1 square plus minus 1 square. 1 here, no number means 1 is here. So we're getting 1 plus 1, that is root 2. Clear? Now if the question is given like this, first you have to solve this. Formula a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we'll get 9i square plus 1 minus 6i. This I square is negative. I square is negative, so we can write minus 9 plus 1 minus 6i. So we're getting minus 8 minus 6i. So what will be the conjugate? We change the sign of only the I part. Okay, this will be plus 6i. And what will be modulus? Root over, we'll see this, minus 8 square minus 6 square. So you will get 64 plus 36 is root 100, which is equal to 10. This one also same. First we'll multiply and make it standard equation like this, standard complex number like this. 3 4 is 12 plus 3i plus 4 4 is 16i plus 4i square. 12 plus 19i, I square is negative, so it will be negative 4. 12 minus 4 is 8 plus 19i. So suppose this is z. Okay, so conjugate will be 8 minus 19i, and the modulus will be 8 square is 64 plus 19 square is 361. 5, 6, 6, 12, 425, I guess. $425, if you break it, 585, 517. So we're getting 5 square into 17, 5 root 17. If you get this also, no problem. First you have to rationalize and make it in the standard form. So we'll rationalize by plus 4i. So it will become, if you multiply 2, 5 is 10, 2, 4 is 8, 3, 5 is 15, 3, 4 is 12i square. Downside is in the form of a minus b, a plus b. So we can write a square minus b square. So you can get minus 10. This will be minus 7i. Since I square is there, so it will be negative 12. 8 minus 15 is minus 7i. Okay. Downside 5 square is 25 minus 16i square. This is minus 22 minus 7i by 25 plus 16 minus 22 minus 7i by 41. So it will become minus 22 by 41 minus 7 by 41i. So what will be the conjugate? Conjugate will be minus 22 by 41. Minus will become plus on the imaginary part, 41i. So what will be the modulus? I'm doing here root over minus 22 by 41 whole square plus 7 by 41 whole square. This one, if you square it, you'll get 484. I'll just write 41 square so that we can do the LCM quickly. 7 square is 49. LCM is 41 square. No change. 484 plus 49. Downside you can remove the square, be 41. Add this, 9 plus 4 is 13. And 9 plus 4 is 13, 4 plus 8 is 12, 13 again, 4, 5. Let me check any mistake is done or not. 2, 5 is 10, 2, 4 is 8, 3, 5 is 15, 3, 4 is 12. Minus 10 minus 12 is minus 22 minus 7. This is 41. this will keep as it is. Okay, 41 square, or 41 square means 41 into 41. Okay, if you cut this 41 13 times it goes, so answer is 13 by 41. You can pause the video to write the solution. Homework will be find the conjugate of 5 minus 7i mm, 12 plus 5i. You can do homework, these two. Okay, you can pause the video to write everything. Thank you.